Okay, so I have a feeling that this vlog, the first video of 2020, is gonna be slightly mad. But first, I think it's time for, well, me to introduce you to the new space. So me and the guys have been working since early this morning to essentially dismantle this room. Essentially, there was loads of tables in this room that weren't being used for anything, so we've taken them to pieces. Which just left us with all of this space. So 2020 is off to a flyer already. I hope all of you guys are okay, and if you're not, let me know in the comment section down below, because if you're not, it's just not on. And in about 2 hours, I need to head home because I've got to pack for CES. I'm flying off there only for 2 or 3 days though. This bit of wood here, you may recognize, it's actually my old desk from my old room, from my old triple monitor setup. It is so long. Yeah, new office. I'm really excited about this. I need to box these Sonos Play 1s up from a recent giveaway I did over on TechFlow, and then I need to pack for CES. Oh, where is the suitcase? There it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, before arriving into Las Vegas, large devices must be turned off and stowed. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Okay, so guys, hello, welcome to my first video of 2020. What better place to start it than Las Vegas at 5:30 in the morning? Okay, so guys, welcome to Las Vegas. Yeah, we're in Las Vegas. I'm literally on the strip just to see what is going on here at CES and obviously to hang around with a few friends of mine. Now, there's a few problems with vlogging here in Las Vegas, and more specifically in CES, in the convention center. Number one, there's lots of people, and number two, it's very loud, so you're gonna have to try and bear with me. So I'm feeling pretty ready for the day after my run this morning. I say we just head straight to the event and see what we can make of it. And also, the view from this hotel room is just an absolute madness. Wowzers. Okay, so CES is kind of a really hard event for me to explain. We're currently sort of in the lobby of a hotel. The hotels are huge though, and they've also got loads of casinos around them. So many people, and every single person has a CES badge on. Every single person. What in the world is going on here? This is LG's booth next. So these are LG's OLED R signature TVs, and they actually hide away in their box, which is also the soundbar speaker system for the TV. I want OLED NVIDIA G-Sync compatible gaming TV, and it has a 1 millisecond response time, 120 Hertz, and it's up to 4K. Okay, so the lovely ladies at the LG booth have just finished giving me a private guided tour of all the monitors, so I'm all clued up. They've told me that they're going to be coming out in May time, and they're going to send me them so I can redo my gaming setup in the new house. It's going to be so cool, and I can't wait. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is going to blow your mind. I'm pretty sure everybody at one point has been stuck on the toilet without toilet paper before, yeah? I want one of these. Look at the back of this thing. Okay, so this is Sony's car. Sony's car. Slide at your own risk. We're recording live here. Let's do this. Hey! So one thing I actually haven't let you guys know yet is the fact that my car, my M2 competition from BMW, is currently in a garage right now in pieces because it's getting its wrap taken off it and a new wrap put on it. I'm currently at the BMW booth, and this is the M8 competition, the creme de la creme, and I'm going to sit inside it with you guys. Look at these. Look at these tailpipes here. Can I sit in it, Jack? Can I go and sit in it? Yeah, heaven. Absolute heaven. Attention to detail here. Digital driver's display here, and then, this is just all made out of leather. M8 competition branding on there. This is absolutely just top notch.
I don't give it up for free.
First off, they've got this absolutely insane desk that has engine start stop, and it has a computer that's actually built into it. As you can see, we've got MSI peripherals here, we have an MSI monitor. Now, if you guys will remember, about 4 or 5 months ago, I actually did a video where I built Toby, my roommate, he lives in my house with me, a setup. If you didn't watch that, I'll chuck it in the card and in the description. This is actually the computer that I installed for Toby. It's a tiny form factor PC. Like, look at this compared to the size of my hand. This is one hella awesome case. So the glass on the door of this case is actually aircraft approved, MPG 500p. Yeah, I absolutely love this thing. This is cool. And these were literally only released yesterday. How do they look? Do they look good? This right here is a computer, right? 4 different chambers inside of this computer for the cooling. One for the GPU, one for the CPU, one for the motherboard, and one for the power supply. And look at the insane design of this. Like, it just looks like a monster. MSI are making some absolutely awesome products, and I'm crossing my fingers that hopefully I can get my hands on them in Q2 this year. I am absolutely knackered. Let me look at my watch 2 seconds. 20,322 steps today so far. That's crazy, and I've been up since 5 a.m. Okay, so the day is not stopping here. CES has been absolutely awesome, going around and seeing all of the new tech, but this evening is all about fun and games. Guys, I have tickets to see Drake at XS nightclub, and I'm gonna go there after I've gone to play Topgolf with a load of my YouTube friends. And if you don't know what Topgolf is, it's essentially a driving range on steroids with alcohol and fun and music. It's very, very fun. There's actually live music on right behind us whilst we're literally here. I don't think any of you will know what it is like to receive the CES flu. I've just been sat here editing this vlog, and I didn't really have an ending to it because, like I say, I got back really ill. So right now I thought it'd be a good opportunity just to switch on the camera and touch base on a couple of things, really. So I'm feeling refreshed, I'm feeling myself, bar this man flu, and I'm buzzed to make some content. But all I can say is, bar this man flu, I am happy, and I can't wait to start making videos again for 2020. And my car right now is currently, I might have mentioned it earlier, it's getting wrapped. It's getting a brand new wrap on it, so we've got that to go and pick up sometime next week. Yeah, I'm buzzed for this year. It's gonna be so fun. But for now, guys, please give me some time. Bear with me. I need to try and get over this man flu. Thank you for putting my face on your screen and watching it and hopefully getting enjoyment out of it. And I'll see you in the next one, I suppose. Adios. But for now, guys, please give me...